What is up, guys? Welcome to Monster Truck Championship. Very excited to jump into this game. I think I bought a little bit ago, and you know, we're in the heart of Monster Truck season. I think by the time I'm recording this, I think this past weekend they were in Detroit doing their show. So yeah, I think we're fairly early into the season. And I love monster trucks. They're so much fun. They are awesome as hell. I love it. You can do backflips in them. But yeah, I'm excited to jump into this. Of course, my favorite monster truck is Gravedigger. That's the one I grew up rooting for the most. That was the monster truck that got me into monster trucks. There's so many cool monster trucks out there. The shit that people can do with monster trucks, it is sick as hell. But yeah, just here free roaming right now. I did some training, so definitely know how to do some tricks already. Come on, do it. There we go, doing a donut. I don't think my back wheels are working right now. Maybe they are. There we go. There we go! Got some speed! Hey, Cyclone. There we go, baby. Alright, why don't we jump in to our career? Of course, my driver is named John Johnson. Y'all can't see that up top, but it's alright. Well, probably won't be in the way after. But we have two members of our team so far that we hired. We have an engine specialist, David Jackson, and then we hired a manager here, Matthew Robinson. So, and then we eventually get more unlocked, and we build our own team. So Matthew Robinson, an English-born guy here, he will be our manager, and then David Johnson or Jackson will be our engine specialist. We do have a sponsor. You know, we do win, you know, $4,100 and one new park in the garage. Complete one event standings right now, where we haven't jumped into our career. Well, this is what our truck is going to look like until we start unlocking some shit. But yeah, there's just so much customization in this truck in this game. Your body type can be different. You know, I love the Brave Hunter, but I believe that's the Gravedigger like body right there. Like, there's so many, like some of these like truck bodies I like. Some goofy ones. The heavy duty one I like. The Stinger, like this one looks pretty nice. I do like that one. The Toaster. The Desert Warrior, I do like that body type. You got an old school. The Airborne, that one's pretty nice. Got the Granny. That's pretty nice right there. The High Tech. That one does look nice as well. And then the Roswell. So yeah, a bunch of different body types, and then fucking rims, exhausts, top attachments, rear attachments. You can get flags. Definitely get a flag in there once we can get it unlocked. What are some of the top ones? Oh, the police lights, the rocket, pizza delivery, off-road lights, cowboy hats. That is pretty cool. But yeah, not so much that we can do right now. But why don't we jump in and start our career here?
This is the place where your career as a monster truck driver begins.
So we have the
win the title of the Monster Truck Champion. To achieve this, you must earn ranking points by getting good results in events. Right now, there's only one event available, but more events will unlock as you progress. Complete events and get to the top of league ranking to qualify for the finals. By winning the finals, you'll be promoted to a higher league. Look at event information to choose the best one for you. Events are divided into stages and consist of various types of competitions. Now, select the first event to start.
So it looks like we're not in the top league yet, you know, like the I believe it's like what, Monster Energy is where like all the big ones are, the real famous ones are. So it looks like we're starting off in the National League. It looks like, well, we have about like 7 spots in the National Extreme Race. Extreme Monster Truck Race. And we have a race, a drag race, and a freestyle. So it looks like we have starting off with a race, so let's go ahead and jump into this one.
Kilgore in the Lone Star State is the capital of the monster truck world. What you're about to see is one of the most exciting races in the country. So let's get ready for large doses of high-octane entertainment.
Oh shit, a race, dude. They didn't show this in training. In the race competition, your goal is to complete the required number of laps and cross the finish line before your opponent. The higher place you take, the more ranking points you get. The winner of the event is the one who gets the highest number of ranking points after all stages. Alright, looks like there's 8 of us. Let's go ahead and jump into this race. Oh shit, here we go. Get out the way, homie. Oh shit. Already off to a bad start. They didn't have this race in training. Or racing in training. What the hell, bitch? I already lost my hood. God damn it. Racing in games is so fucking hard. Our body is already fucked. Alright. So we are catching back up here. So we have 2 laps. There we go, do some drifting. Not the greatest drifting. Oh shit. It's very sensitive. My McDonald. Shit. Fucking damn it. Well, I don't think we're going to do so good in this race. Oh my god, I keep spinning the fuck out. I'm just like spinning the fuck out every goddamn time. Like, what the fuck is going on? That was a very shitty race. I tried catching back up. Just kept spinning out, dude. At least we didn't finish last. It's always a bonus. Motherfucker, bro.
We're in Foxborough, Massachusetts, and the stadium is bursting at the seams. Today, we're going to watch drivers in a classic J-Hook style race. Brace yourselves for the Clash of Titans.
Alright, we're in Boston now. Complete and quick 1-on-1 race. Your goal is to cross the finish line before your opponent. If you lose, you'll be eliminated from the remaining rounds of the stage. The winner will advance to the next round. Defeat your opponents to advance to the final round. The more rounds you win, the more ranking points you'll get. Alright, well, shit. Looks like we're facing Mason. Foxborough, Massachusetts. I'm guessing we're probably in the Patriots Stadium. Alright, we did it. Alright. 14 seconds. Won that one. So it looks like we're on race 2. We are facing Smith with 15 seconds. He had 15 seconds. Oh, we're on the other side now. Oh, shit. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh yeah, we got it. Okay, those are pretty simple. Those are the ones you see in like the Monster Energy, Monster Jam ones. Except sometimes they have different ones. We're in the final. We're taking on Gordon. We do have the best right now. This may have saved us this race. Gordon, our plain ass truck, bro. Did not time it up good. Dude, we dominate these. There we go. We won it. New personal best. Just over 13 seconds. There we go. We win. We got 15 points. New. Are we? So we are in 4th right now. Online rankings. So we are in 4th right now. Good. I think we got freestyle up next.
Here in Minneapolis, the stadium is sold out. People are fired up and hungry for
Minnesota Stadium, or Vikings play probably.
So everyone prepare yourself, because it's going to be mind-blowing. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get it started.
Alright. How many seconds do we got? I think right behind us.
And another driver started off.
Oh shit. A wheelie. Hold on, let me get myself turned around here. I'm gonna kick it off. The backflip.
Backflip.
Ah! We did it!
And a perfect landing. What a speed demon.
Oh shit!
1 minute left.
We're gonna do another one.
Good
Backflip! Oh! Ah!
Didn't manage to pull it off. Didn't quite make it. We're already halfway through. Here comes the backflip.
Damn it!
Ends up on the roof. What a shame. Still missing a few points to take the lead. We're running out of time.
Alright, alright, alright.
Speeding like a rocket.
Look at us go flying! Another backflip! There we go!
Sticks it.
What a backflip! Third place!
Looks like the front wheel has been damaged.
Alright, not too shabby. We got third there. Got 10 points. Come on, bro. Damn it! Where did we finish? Did we finish 4th place? Sponsor contract completed. Select a new contract in management. Sponsor award with just over 41. Sponsor award with Newport. Dirty race. 1 new part available.
Congratulations! You've just finished the first event in your career. Successes in your career will grant you access to new truck parts and upgrades.
Got it. We got a dirty race. Dirty race, Las Vegas. A race in Foxborough. And then a destruction in Foxborough. Alright. Well, we have a new part. Appearance. We can get this body now. We roll with that one. Or the truck. 50,000? Holy shit, dude. Here on wheels. Might as well, bro. I gotta get some sort of colors on here. You're like one in orange. Like orange and green? That don't look too bad. I want an orange truck. Orange is my favorite color, bro. That looks fun. Damn, dude, 50,000 just for that? This shit ain't gonna be cheap. We're gonna have to win so much. Yeah, save the changes. Management. When can we have another team member? Hit 8 destructible objects. Get that sponsor. Right now we're in 6. Well, we have 6 points. We are in 4th place. Oh, we got some catching up to do. Alright, let's jump into another event. Dirty race. What's the difference between a race and a dirty race? Get to run people over. Can we do this one? We do have 6,600. Alright, we gotta do good in these.
We will see the most exciting monster
Drag
show
racing.
in the country.
Las Vegas.
It's going wild because the dual competition is about to kick in. Brace yourselves for the.
So this is a way bigger track. Hell yeah, this is gonna be sick. Looks like we're facing off against Mason. Go, bro. This is gonna be sick. There we go. We got some new colors on our truck. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit, oh shit! Oh shit! We got it. Oh, that came close. First place. So far. That came close, bro. Round 2, we're facing up against Rodriguez. I believe he's first place right now. Look, our orange and green truck pops. Bam! Swear, those things are stressful. That shit is stressful. Alright, Rodriguez. Coming for that first spot. Facing off against Thompson. in the final race. I'm trying to time this up. Bad delay. We smoked them, bro. New personal best. 22 seconds. What's up, Thompson? Fucking loser. Hell yeah. We beat him by like almost 3 seconds. We are number 1 right now in points. Looks like we're 15th. Alright. First event completed.
We're in Foxborough, Massachusetts, and the stadium is bursting at the seams. In this racing contest, we have a few really good drivers, but only one of them can win. Now's their chance to prove who is best.
Oh, shit.
So let's get ready for large doses of high-octane entertainment.
God damn, this track got so many loops. What the hell? Alright. These races are definitely tough to win when everyone's in it. Get out the way! I'm gonna be dirty, bro. I'm gonna be dirty. Oh, you bitch! Hey, you're fucking up my body. I guess they got tired of me. All right, we're in third. That's it. 2 wheels. Alright, we're in second. Come on. The racing, still trying to figure it out a little bit. Landed right on top. Get out the way, bitch. Oh, that's so dirty. That is so dirty what I just did. Boom, baby. We got the win on this one. There we go. That was so dirty what I just did to him. I literally fucking got on top of him. Alright. We're up to 30 points.
We're in Foxborough, Massachusetts.
Got a trophy and everything.
Is bursting at the seams. Tonight we're going to see a lot of
destruction.
And wrecking. It's time for a destruction contest.
Hell yeah. In this competition, you will need to get the most points by destroying objects in the arena and doing tricks. Combining them, will give you the higher chance to win. The time is limited, but destroying objects will give you a time bonus. So destroy stuff and do some flips. Got it.
And another contestant
Yeah, get out the way, bitch. Is there a backflip wall?
Perfect balance control. That didn't go as
Roll me over. I don't think I can do no backflips. Oh. Oh. Right on two wheels. Ah, we had it there for a minute.
gets in the air and pulls off a barrel roll.
Is that what I can do a backflip on? Bam! Oh, damn it, second place. Almost had the backflip. We did a barrel roll, bicycle. Damn right, bro. We won this one. Straight up. That was a good one for us. Getting 10,000. Hell yeah, bro. That bicycle is pretty sick. Sponsor contract completed. Select a new contract. Bro, there we go. We getting money. Rewarded you with one new part. New unlocked element available. 6 new team candidates plus 2 new sponsors. Hell yeah. Metal Beast Show. Alright. Let's go to our garage and I think we can do one more event here. Let's see what else we got. We got some stickers. Fear on the wheels. Oh, bro. Fuck it, bro. Let's get some more shit on our truck. Save that. Management. We got some new teammates now. A new manager. Team members modified 20% income. Should we get a... What's our other manager? Yeah, our other manager doesn't really have event entry fee. 10%. Team members modifier plus 20%. Why don't we swap them out? Let's get Jason Moore as our new manager. Share gift time, income. We'll roll with them. Hopefully we can get more, so we can get more teammates. Get our whole team filled out soon. 2 new parts in garage. Win 1 event. Perform a somersault 2 times. Get 5,000 score points on a single wheelie 1 time. Money plus 3 new parts. And we get 21. I want to do this one. 3 new parts. So we gotta do a wheelie. Get a 5,000 score on a wheelie. Alright, I think I can do that. Jump into one more event here. Metal Beast Show. Looks like we're going to Las Vegas. And we do a lot in Foxborough, huh? Massachusetts.
Here in Minneapolis,
There we go. Destruction. We got some, like, trailer parks.
Has arrived at this extraordinary arena and is just about to begin. Get ready for the show.
There we go. Looks like we got a front flip wall too. There we go. Let's do it. Destruction. Fear the wheels.
And another contestant started off.
Bam. The fuck out of here, homie.
It's a complete pandemonium out here.
And we did a somersault.
A somersault that keeps on going.
Backflip time. Whoa. There we go.
Rotation and a perfect landing.
Stick the landing, son of a bitch. Some big air. Oh shit! I'm in first person view. How do I get off this view? Oh shit, no, I do not like that.
What a speed demon.
Good rotation here. There we go.
Good speed and awesome rotation. Great wheelie across the track.
There we go. We got the wheelie. And we roll through it. Bam, baby. There we go. We got 15 points. Perform one perfect start. We got that one next. The wheelie, bro, was perfect. We just got $21,000. Hopefully. We gotta get that other one. We are in 15th right now.
Today, Kilgore in the Lone
Getting all these trophies.
the capital of the monster truck world.
Yeah, this race.
Hear the wild revving at the starting line. That announces that the drag race is about to go.
Drag racing. It's a big old loop. Fear the wheels. There we go! Yeah, baby! 19 seconds. Round number 2. Facing McDonald. Been facing him quite a bit. Oh shit! My bad, my bad. I don't know what I fucked up there. I went a bit early. Come on. I think we whooped him, bro. I didn't even see him when we came around that turn. Boing. Not the personal best. These drag races, bro. What's up, McDonald? Facing Smith. There we go, there we go, there we go! Another dub! Yeah, baby! New person, we did way better that time. Gotta figure out how to do those turns. We're trying to get up to the big leagues, bro. What's the next one? It's a race.
Here in Orlando, Florida.
Orlando, Florida.
One of the most interesting racing competitions this season.
Is this just a big circle?
Large doses of high-octane entertainment.
What the hell? This track looks crazy. I realized I was playing NASCAR or F1. Did I want too soon? Already took off his back. Get out the way! Don't you fucking try to wipe me out! That's what I'm supposed to do to you. We're in 4th, we're not doing too bad. Shit, overturned. Hit the gas too hard. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, you son of a bitch! Get off me! That turn fucked me up. Oh my god. These full with everyone races are probably the most difficult ones. There we go. 3 wide. 3 wide. Everyone's on top of each other. Get out the way, bitch. Damn it, I don't think we're going to win this one. We got caught up there. Hey, we got second. There we go. Wasn't too bad of a race. Just could not get the win. I tried catching up to Mason. But we did win. 42 points. Hell yeah. Perform 1 perfect start. Damn it. Did we not get... Oh, so we did get it. Hell yeah. We got 2 more races. 3 new parts, 2 new sponsors. So it looks like we have the Hammerfall Festival. It looks like there's 4. Freestyle, race, and drag race. And then Monster Truck No Limit Tournament. Freestyle and drag race. Hell yeah. Check out the new parts we got. So performance, it looks like we got some new brakes. Can spend 10 grand on those. Make it new brakes. Tires. Ooh. Like handling. I think we may spend 20 grand. Yeah. We need new brakes. Or new handling, bro. Like I said, sometimes the shit fucking... Braking, that's way better. We're gonna spend another 10. There we go. Tires. Grab those. Appearance, body. Get a new body. The Galaxy. Should we roll with the big truck now? That's $75,000. We don't have enough money. We don't have enough money for any of these different bodies yet. Alright, save that. There we go, not too shabby. We have, what, a new sponsor? So we can have 2 sponsors going at once. 2 new parts. Win 2 race event stages. Perform a drift 3 times during 1 event stage. When 1 event, perform a somersault 2 times. I'll do this one. Oh, never mind. We can't do it yet. That's fine. We'll wait till we finish that other one. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this first episode of Monster Truck Championships. We started off a bit slow there in the first one, but then figured out how to do them race. We basically won the last 2 events here, and we got 2 more events coming up here in the next episode. Well, hopefully y'all enjoy. Let's describe all that fun shit, and I'll see y'all in the next one.